Today we're going to focus on the main landing gear A330 brakes. This is what stops the airplane. A 500,000 pound airplane, potentially after landing. These brakes here put the brakes on these wheels to stop this aircraft. I just think it's kind of amazing the energy that these things absorb during a landing or an aborted takeoff. And then just the fact that the landing gear is just so massive and rugged and can handle basically almost anything we can give it. Pretty amazing. That's the A330 landing gear.